Hello dear students, how are you today? Here is your English teacher, Rodrigo Lazo Campo from Easy Training, and this is EasEnglish. This time, I am presenting Lesson 213, Part 2. Lesson 213, Part 2, in Curso Básico Level 1. As you know, the title of the lesson is Shapes in Tide Pools. You already know what a tide pool is, and you know that a lot of animals live in tide pools. And you also know that the animals living in tide pools may have different shapes. This time, we are going to be doing the activities in Lesson 213. Here we go. Activity 1 is about what animals live in tide pools. The main idea reads here that many animals live in tide pools. And here is a diagram with 4 ovals at which you and I are going to be either drawing pictures or pasting the pictures of 4 animals that live in tide pools. That's all about it. You can either pick 4 animals from the lesson or search in the web, for example, or in any books, what other animals live in tide pools. Got it? Let's do it. As the main idea reads, this activity is only about showing 4 different animals that live in tide pools. It is not exactly about what shapes they have. Then here are the 4 tide pool animals that I have chosen. First, starfish. Second, a mussel. Third, a crab. And last, a sea mouse. The first 3 are included among the animals that we refer to in this lesson, but this is a new one. A sea mouse. A sea mouse lives in tide pools just like mussels, starfish, and crabs. Then we can say that starfish or starfishes, another way of the plural, mussels, crabs, and sea mice live in tide pools. What other animals live in tide pools? Let me start activity 2 by saying that the SH, this combination of consonants, this combination of letters, is called a diagraph. And by definition, a diagraph is a pair of letters. Can be either consonants or vowels that represent one single sound. Here are other examples of diagraph. The PH, 2 consonants together making up only one sound, the sound of philosophy. PH is a diagraph. Another one is the EA. 2 vowels together make up one sound, E, as in beans. So this activity is about the SH diagraph. Here are 6 pictures. We're going to name these pictures and find out which names begin with the SH diagraph. Let's do it. The sound of the SH diagraph is sh, sh, as when you are asking somebody to keep quiet, to be silent. Then shark. This is a shark. Shirt. This is a shirt. Starfish. This is a starfish. Shell. This is a shell. Shore. This is the shore. And ship. This is a ship. Shark begins in sh sound. Shirt begins in sh sound. Starfish does not begin in sh sound, but it finishes in sh sound. Shell begins in sh sound. Shore, seashore. Shore begins in sh sound. Ship begins in sh sound. Again, starfish does not begin in sh sound, but it finishes in sh sound. This is activity 3 and last. This activity consists in completing these 8 sentences by adding either an exclamation mark, a period, or a question mark at the end. First, you and I are going to read the sentences. And depending on the punctuation that you have chosen, we are going to make the expression or the intonation. Let's read. Tide pools are found on rocky shores. Wow, I see a starfish. Can you see a mussel? Which animal has 5 arms? A mussel's shell has an oval shape. What shape is a snail's shell? Many animals live in tide pools. It is fun to look for animals in the tide pools. Now let's place the punctuation. Here you are. Tide pools are found on rocky shores. Period. Wow, I see a starfish. Question, exclamation mark, sorry. Can you see a mussel? Question mark. Which animal has 5 arms? Question mark. A mussel's shell has an oval shape. Period. What shape is a snail's shell? Question mark. Many animals live in tide pools. Period. It is fun to look for animals in tide pools. Period. Well, dear students, I guess that's all for now. It was quite good to talk to you. I'll be back with a new lesson quite soon. See you then.